SECC is committed to empowering students with the ability to continue to create videos directly from home during the COVID-19 pandemic. Today we're going to be looking at our third package, Field Kit Fundamental Setup. It includes a Canon Vixia camcorder, a mini tripod, SD card, card reader, wired lav mic, headphones, and a carrying bag. A PDF with the links to these items will be in the video description and on our website, secctv.org. I'm joined by Nick from SECC, who's going to show us how to use the third kit. So Nick, what do we have here?
Thanks, Nebaiot. First up, we have our Canon Vixia camcorder, SD card. We have our Manfrotto mini tripod, wired lavalier microphone, your battery for your camera, SD card reader that plugs into a USB. Got our carrying case, camera charger, and last but most important is our headphones. Okay, let me walk you guys through the camera and how we're gonna set it up on the tripod. So basically what you're gonna do is get your camera, then your battery, and it's just gonna slide right in here to the bottom. You'll see the little pins on the top. We'll match in with the pins on the top of the camcorder. Just go ahead and slide in there, hit click. Click means it's good. Then you can take your tripod and screw it right in here to the bottom. Make sure it's the lowest hole on the actual camcorder. Just go ahead and screw it in. Might be kind of difficult if your tripod isn't completely centered, but eventually once you get it in there, you can flip these legs out and then put your camera right on the table. So now, if you push the button on the tripod, you can actually move the camera around and get your shot lined up with your face. You can flip out your screen. Camera will power on. Make sure first that you open up your lens cap right there on the side. But now we can see everything. And next up, what you're gonna do is put your memory card into your camera. So right here on the side of the camera, it's gonna be a little door that you can flip up. And you're just gonna wanna put your SD card right in there. Make sure the label is facing towards the lens of the camera. Close the door, make sure you always close that door. Then also, I like to plug in my camera when I'm using it inside the house, just so that way I know that the battery's never gonna run out while I'm in the middle of a recording. So to do that, you're gonna take the charging end of the charger, and then you're gonna plug it into underneath the actual handle of the camcorder. You'll see right here is a little charging port. Make sure you line up the pins properly. You can plug that in. Now we can plug our camera into the wall. So now we're ready to shoot here just with our camcorder. You also want to take your headphones, unravel them real quick, and then you're going to plug these into your camcorder itself as well. Just to double check that you have good clean audio, you're going to plug in your headphones right into the AV out and the headphone port right there on the right side, right there. You can see your wired lavalier microphone is going to plug in right here. Headphones plug in right next to them. Put a camera down. So you can use your headphones to test your audio, making sure that you're getting clean audio. Obviously, when you're doing a take, when you're actually recording, you're gonna probably wanna take these off so you don't have headphones in your shot when you're actually talking to someone on camera. Okay, real quick, I wanna mention something about these Vixia camcorders. Sometimes, if you're using your headphones and you have them plugged in to the headphone port, you might be getting a buzz or a slight hum or no sound at all. That's probably because your headphone port is set to AV out. These cameras by default set that port to AV out instead of headphones. You have to go into the settings and switch it. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So basically you're gonna come in here to the camera, just on the main screen, come over here to the left side, you'll see a small little house, an icon right here. It's gonna come up with a little settings menu once you click it. So you go ahead and click on other settings right here on the far left side. That'll come up with a few menus here. You're gonna wanna click on the sprocket wrench on the right-hand side at the top. Then you can scroll down on the side and you'll see it right there, boom, AV/headphones. Right now it's set to headphones, but out of the box, these cameras come with it set to AV. So you're gonna make sure that you set it to headphones right there. Go ahead and click your X, and that's it. We got crystal clear audio coming out of our camera. So if you ever hear that buzz or no audio at all, make sure that that setting is set properly. That's everything in the Field Kit fundamentals. Let me send it back over to Nebaiot.
Thank you, Nick. This kit will do wonders for our students. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact your teachers or check out our website at secctv.org. I'm Nebaiot, and thank you for watching.